a rich set of operators, rich set of huge number of operators. Okay, we're having in Pig to write the logic with few lines of code. It provides many operators to perform operations like join, sort, okay, filter. Want to perform some of aggregation operations, such type of operations. The Pig provides some rich set of operators. Ease of programming. That means those who are familiar with Pig SQL, it is easy to learn. It is easy to learn. That is easy of programming. Optimization opportunities. One of the best advantage of Pig, optimization opportunities. That means we are just write the Pig scripts only. We just write the Pig scripts only to the solving the problem. Okay, but what is the optimized way to run that script? We cannot taken care of that. Okay, the Pig is use some of the optimized functions to execute the script in some optimized way. Optimized way, that is one of the advantage. We are not taking care of what is the optimized way to execute the script. We are not taking care of that one. Okay, the execution of a particular script in optimized way taken care by the Pig only. We just write Pig scripts only for solving the problem. That is optimization opportunities. The task in Apache Pig optimize their execution automatically. Their execution automatically. So the programmers need to focus only on the semantics of the language. We have to just concentrate on the Pig Latin script programming language. We not take care about how to execute the script in optimized way. We are not taking care about that one. That can be taken care by which one? Pig itself only. Next, extensibility. Using existing operators, user can develop their own functions to read, process, and write the data. Okay, so by using some of the operators, we also write or we can also develop our own functions by using read to read, process, and write the data. Okay, we're also providing our own functions. Next, UDFs, that is user-defined functions. User-defined functions. That means to create some of user-defined functions in other programming languages, such as Java, in some other programming languages. We are also invoking into which one? Pig scripts. Invoking which one? Pig scripts. That means we may also write or we may also defining the functions in another programming language. Those programming languages, those we can also write functions or we can also define the functions in another programming languages. Those functions we may also embed it into the Pig scripts. That is also possible in Pig. Is it clear? That means we may also define the function in Java. That function we may also embed into the Pig scripts also. That is another feature of Pig, UDFs. Is it clear? Next, handles all kinds of data as like Hadoop MapReduce. The Pig can also used to handle either structured, unstructured data. Structured, unstructured data. Okay, Apache Pig analyze all kinds of data, both structured as well as unstructured data, and it can also store the result into which one? HDFS. So these are some of the features of Apache Pig. Next, coming back to applications of Apache Pig. Okay, so to process huge data sources such as the weblogs, clear, to perform data processing for search algorithms, to process time-sensitive data loads. So these are some of the applications of Apache Pig. Okay, for solving different kinds of problems, we are also using the Apache Pig. Next, coming back to the history of the P. History of the P. Okay. So now, in 2006, Apache Pig was developed as a research project at Yahoo. Which one? Yahoo. ODP is given by which one? Yahoo. Okay, Apache Pig is also given by Yahoo only. It is used especially to create and execute MapReduce jobs on every dataset. Used to create, execute MapReduce jobs on every dataset. Okay. In 2007, Apache Pig was open sourced via Apache Incubator. Apache Incubator. No, in 2007, it was becomes a open source. In 2008, the first release of Apache Pig comes out into the market. In 2010, Apache Pig graduated as a Apache top level project. 2010, Pig graduated as a Apache top level project. This is simply about the Apache Pig. Okay, so it is given by which one? Yahoo, and it will becomes a open source in 2007, and it is in 2008 the first release of Apache Pig is comes into the market. That is the history of